In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to automatically kick off the employee onboarding process the moment a new user joins your Monday account. This setup is simple but powerful, especially for growing teams. It eliminates the need for someone to manually track new user invites or remember to assign onboarding tasks. Here's how it works. First, we open up the workflow builder and set the trigger to when user joins account. You can filter by user role if needed, like member, guest, or viewer. But for now, we'll keep it set to any user. Next, we'll choose the action, Create Item. We select our employee onboarding board, set the right group, and pull in the user's name using the user ID token. You can also add preset values to other columns or leave them blank to be filled out later. That's it. It's a one-time setup that will trigger every time a new user is added to your account. Let's see it in action. We go ahead and invite a new user. Once they accept, you'll see a new item automatically created on our onboarding board. From here, you can continue with the rest of your onboarding steps. In our setup, we even have an additional automation that kicks in once a manager is assigned. It instantly creates a 30, 60, 90-day plan for your employee using a pre-built template. So not only is your onboarding started automatically, but it's also scaled with the tools your team is already using. If you're looking to scale your employee onboarding with Monday, feel free to book a free discovery call using the link below. And don't forget to subscribe for more workflow tutorials. Thanks for watching.